What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. We definitely have a pattern playing out right now in the Bitcoin price. I want to show you guys exactly how to take this trade over on Bybit, whether long or short. And guys, is Bitcoin in trouble right now? We are heading down at the moment after just kind of bouncing off around $40,000. We've been working down ever since. Are we going to break into the 20s, and is institution going to get their greedy buys, guys? We have a lot to go over today. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. And if you haven't signed up using my links, you can save up to over $7,000 in bonuses just with using all of my links below. And if you sign up to Bybit right now, you can save over $2,600 in bonuses just by using my link right here. And don't forget about all of my giveaways, and be sure to check out the student program. Okay guys, we definitely had a few things playing out right here, so let me just draw them out for you. Okay, so we are in a big descending wedge right now. Okay, and we definitely have some patterns within patterns which are playing out, guys. I'm going to draw those out for you as well. Okay, so for instance, we have a big pattern within pattern here, and we should be getting a breakout of that momentarily. Now guys, there's definitely some back here as well. So for instance, we had a W formation right here. Okay, it's point resistance right there. Okay, measured to the deepest wick from point of resistance to the point of breakout. You guys, a very easy target projection right there. Easy stuff. Next pattern over, I used wedge theory. Okay, to the point of breakout. Another easy target hit, guys. Right into another W. This one's real tight. Point of resistance. Measured from resistance to deepest wick. And we smashed right through that one, guys. That was an easy one. And then this one was really interesting, actually. We had a little pattern right here, a little wedge. Okay. And this one kind of, it went both ways. This one's really interesting. Look, we literally broke down and broke up. You could have won either way, guys. You could have won either way. You could have went short or long on that one. And then this pattern formed out right here. And we had to actually wait for this touch and this touch to form this channel. But now that it has, guys, that's what we're working with right now. And yes, guys, we could go down to the 5 minute and really dice this up to really see where all these little movements are going, guys. But you get the idea. Patterns within patterns yields you a good representation of which way the price action is moving in the immediate. And then when you combine your indications into patterns, especially in combination with volume, that's how you make your entry, guys. A lot of people are always asking me, how do you know when to make your entry? How do you know when to do it? Okay, use your indications. Your indication will usually give you an early warning prior to a breakout that it's about to happen. And that's when you should start getting ready for your trades. So for instance, let's just bring up the 7 and the 20 for reference right now. Okay, so for instance, at the top of this pattern, this could have been an indication and a pattern play right here. You could have bought right up here and rode this down. Okay, once we exceeded the 7, moving down, that was a good sign we'd be riding it down. And guys, you could have clearly pulled up Bollinger Bands as well. And notice once we broke the median, in combination with the 7 breaking the 20 with volume, I mean, guys, that's more than a trifecta right there. We rode the wave down. That's what it's one of my slogans on my page, riding the wave. Riding the Bollinger Band wave down. Okay, guys. So in simplicity, we are kind of getting a little bit of a pullback right here. We got a bounce off the bottom of the support of the channel right here. And we are possibly going to retest this part of the pattern right here. I think we're going to retest it momentarily. So guys, if you didn't just get in here at the bottom of the pattern, for instance, there's 3 ways I like to aggress trading. And it's breakout plays, indication plays, and pattern plays, okay? I think breakouts are probably the safest, because it's a continuation move, whereas indications are probably your most clearest sign that a breakout is coming. And that's when I think that's when I train all my students to be taking trades, is either a breakout play or indication plays. Pattern plays are a little bit more aggressive. For instance, if you were to take the buy right here and then we were to break down, you'd get stop lossed out real quick. And guys, that's actually what these alerts are for right here. Okay, so for instance, if we were to break right here, I could go short, and I would just know to go short right there. And that's what my alerts are for, guys. And if you're not sure how to set your alerts, just go right up on TradingView, go to your alerts, and you can set all the specifics you like. For instance, you want a specific price, crossing. You can even set indications, which is really nice. For instance, the 7 crossing the 20. Okay, then you can just hit create and it will go for it. Okay, I'm not going to do it now, but you get the idea, guys. It's extremely helpful. So that's what I'm looking at right now in the Bitcoin price. But let's zoom out to get a good idea of what's going on in the long term right now. Because guys, since we dropped down from 40,000, there's definitely been some worry. Let's talk about that. Okay guys, so there's several things to look at. We're over on the daily right now in Bitcoin right here. And there's many things to look at. So guys, just in simplicity here, we have broken some major levels of support. Okay, so for instance, we have broken the 55, very clear as day, guys. Obviously, we've even broken the 100. Guys, we've even broken the 200. As I've said, once we broke below the 200, we need a massive reversal. I said that even up to the 55, guys. We need a reversal here. And in simplicity, we have two major resistance and support zones. That is the $29,600 level and the $42,000 level, okay? And the reason for that is the previous peak and previous retracement. We're still in that zone. It's a make it or break it moment for Bitcoin right now. Basically, if we break below this area, I mean, the bears are just on parade. And I promise you guys, institution will be scooping up that cheap coin. We still are way above the last form of legacy line here. We still have a line that we're still above. Okay, so guys, technically, and I don't think this will happen. In reality, we've never had a pump past previous all-time high come back to over 20% over the previous high. So for instance, worst case scenario, I think we could be around $24,000, okay? And that's assuming, you know, that we get the worst case scenario, okay? And that would be matching history. We've always, you know, kind of retraced to that kind of area. So it's definitely within the realm of possibility, guys. But just in simplicity, we need to get back above the 200. Once that happens, I will flip back to short-term bullish. But until then, guys, I am still bearish until we get a reversal. And that's all the time I have for today, guys. These are pretty wild times in cryptocurrency. And guys, if you're not making the gains you feel like you should be, guys, go right over to the website right now and sign up for the student program. I cannot stress enough, the success rate among the group is just phenomenal, guys. I could not be happier with this whole project and program. And my gosh, guys, just for transparency, when I started the program, I was hoping we would even just hit a B level board wide. And guys, we are in an A level board wide, which is really nice. That means the whole majority of the group is really killing it, making good money. And guys, that's all I can really ask for, is that you guys are absorbing and making the gains that you guys want. And guys, I've made the website so simple for you guys. You can literally just sign up, make your payment real easy through PayPal. All the course expectations, ways to make payments. You can make an account so you can check, you know, when you're on schedule, everything. And it's as simple as just booking your appointment, guys. You hit book, you can book your appointment, you pay, you're in. It's that simple. And guys, I also have all of my socials. Be sure to check out all of my socials. I give crypto relevant information on each one of these, guys. You just can't miss. And guys, once you make your payment, all you have to do is send a payment confirmation, and please provide your transaction ID, guys, so we can match you up and get you into the program quickly. And guys, I can't stress enough, this is how you make the trades a reality for yourself if you're really struggling to make the profits. Guys, don't even think about going to a trade school for all that money in a group setting. It's not worth it. I will go as far as to say that after seeing all the success in my program, you know, you guys will not be, you know, one of the ones that don't make it. I can't stress it enough. I've seen so much amazing things in the student program so far. It's just incredible. And guys, the reality is, if you can even replicate, you know, to a degree, you will succeed. And moreover, man, it took me many, many, many years to accumulate this knowledge. I didn't have someone guiding me along. Guys, you have the potential to surpass me with how quick you're learning. So it's really just an amazing program, guys. And to be honest, it's just something you have to experience for yourself to really feel. And guys, even just 1 hour with me, you're going to feel this, you know, massive knowledge gain. And it's really exciting. Okay, so just, you know, when you start, just, you know, pump the brakes a little. I know everyone's super excited to make some money, and you will. Just remember, it's a bit of a process. You don't want to, you know, run before you can walk, and you just want to make sure that you're protecting yourself and have absorbed the strategies you need to do so. Remember, leverage is the hardest form of trading, and guys, the ultimate goal is for you to make money, not lose it. Okay, and guys, just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. And with cryptocurrency, I make it as easy as riding that wave. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle.